Hey guys, this is Cooking with Kurt, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Filipino cassava cake, also known as Bibingkang Kamoteng Kahoy. To start, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to take a large mixing bowl, and we're going to add 2 pounds of grated cassava. Cassava is usually called yuca here in the US. You can use fresh cassava, but I prefer not to peel, grate, and squeeze this yuca, so when making this cake I usually use frozen cassava that's already been grated and ready to go. If you are using fresh yuca, make sure you squeeze off as much moisture as possible just with your hands to make sure it's as dry as possible. Once you have your cassava ready, add in 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of grated coconut, either fresh or frozen, 3 eggs, and 3 egg whites. Make sure you keep the 3 egg yolks because we're going to use it later for the topping. Then we're going to take 2 14-ounce cans of coconut milk. Try to separate the thick coconut cream part from the coconut water part. If it doesn't separate well, just split each can into approximately 1/3 part and 2/3 part. Add the coconut water, or 2/3 part, of each can into the cassava mixture, and save the coconut cream, or 1/3 part, of each can for later. We're going to do the same thing with a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Add 2/3 of the can into the cassava mixture, and save 1/3 of the can for later. Mix the cassava mixture until it's evenly combined. Then, grease 2 9 by 13-inch rectangular pans or Pyrex dishes and pour the cassava mixture equally into the 2 pans. We're going to bake these at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. While that's baking, take a small bowl and add the coconut cream we had saved from the 2 cans of coconut milk, the 1/3 can of sweetened condensed milk, the 3 egg yolks we had saved, and finally 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Mix this till it's well combined. After 30 minutes of baking and the cakes are somewhat firm, spread the topping mixture evenly over the 2 cakes, and bake for another 20 to 30 minutes until the top is nice and golden brown. Let the cakes cool completely, then cut them into squares. Ang sarap! Please let me know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this cassava cake or Bibingkang Kamoteng Kahoy. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt. Maraming salamat!